Yes, my name is Janet E. Doan. I am from the Carolina Forest in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Well, this is stem cell therapy was not even something that I thought about, and I was totally very impressed with, what it can do, and, possibly that it can help me. And my biggest question right now is if I'm a candidate for it, and if it's something that would work for me. But I thought, today's seminar was just very educational. Oh my gosh, my thoughts on Dr. Mike. He is just phenomenal. His presentation was absolutely, fantastic, very informative, very straightforward. He answered every possible question that you could possibly ask, and I just think he's the best thing since mayonnaise anyway. He was very informative, very.